Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study abroad in high school. First, begin by exploring various study abroad programs that align with your academic interests and personal preferences. Consider factors like program length, location, and available subjects. Next, research the specific visa requirements for your desired country and start gathering necessary documents well in advance. Finally, discuss financial aspects with your parents, including tuition, travel, and living expenses, and look into scholarships. When selecting a program, prioritize those with robust academic structures and opportunities for genuine cultural immersion. Look for host family options or supervised dormitories. Your application should showcase your enthusiasm for learning and adapting to new cultures. Highlight relevant extracurricular activities or language skills. Obtaining strong letters of recommendation from teachers who can speak to your maturity and academic readiness is crucial for a successful application. Once abroad, fully immerse yourself in the local culture. Try new foods, learn common phrases, and participate in daily life. Engaging with your host family and local community will significantly enhance your experience. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone, like joining a school club. Remember to communicate regularly with your host family and program staff about any questions or concerns. This open dialogue ensures a smooth and rewarding journey. Studying abroad in high school offers incredible benefits, fostering independence and a broader global perspective. You'll develop invaluable language proficiency and enhance your cross-cultural communication skills, which are highly sought after in today's world. This experience can also significantly boost your college applications, demonstrating maturity and adaptability. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. These skills will serve you well in your future academic and professional endeavors, opening many doors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.